And I am proud to announce that Suriname is becoming another food establishment richer. Professionals on the grill. And the fun continues. Very, very delicious. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey my amazing people, how are you all doing? Well, like I always say to you, make sure you stay healthy and make sure you keep looking out for each other. Stay healthy, my friends. Today I'm standing here on the Whilhelminastraat. Very busy street. But do you know what the Whilhelminastraat is known for, guys? For its food establishment. For all its food establishment. If you look over there, you can see there's Coco Cabana over there. There's another food snack over there. There's a food establishment there. There's Sizzler there. They go down the line, there are all these food establishments. And if you go up the road there is KFC, there is Pizza Hut. There's a whole bunch of them up there too. And I am proud to announce that Suriname is becoming another food establishment richer. Yes, my friends, we're having a new food establishment and it's right across there. And it's called the Kabayan Hub. Yep, it's a Filipino establishment. The Kabayan Hub. And if I can translate the Kabayan Hub, I hope I'm saying it correctly. The Kabayan Hub means, Kabayan means fellow countrymen. Hub is like a place where they gather. Filipinos are considered OFW, Overseas Filipino Workers. And you know, sometimes when you're working in a foreign country, sometimes they will gather at a place together to have a good time with their fellow countrymen. So that's where this establishment got its name from, Kabayan Hub. I've had a taste of Filipino foods. I've been to the Philippines and I've tasted some of their foods, and I've just scratched the surface by just sampling some of their delicious foods, and I know how they taste. That's why I'm so excited, because I get a chance to try some of the foods right here in my country. When I go back to the Philippines, I'm going to be trying a lot of more foods. So I'm going to show you guys the establishment. I'm going to show you the menu. I'm going to talk to the owners, and I'm going to just probably test some of the foods. I know the food tastes already. I'm telling you guys, you can come here and try out these foods. You are going to love it. Try something different. Try Filipino style cooking. I know you're going to love it. I am pretty sure. Guarantee that. So stick around, guys, and thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Stick around and we'll do a tour. Officially open for business, Kabayan Hub. This is a setup out here. Welcome this new establishment in Suriname. And you can find this Filipino restaurant on the Whilhelminastraat, number 10B. It's right next to Seafood Bar. Coco Cabana is at the head there. Pizza Hut and KFC is down the road there. Hey, Sir Dennis, how are you? Here's one of the owner.
Hi. How are you?
And the other owner is down there, Ben down there somewhere. Okay, she's busy. And this is what she's freshening up. And this is what the inside looks like. But they're still adjusting, they're still fixing. They're gonna have some logos on this wall here. Have some nice Filipino icon pictures. Manny Pacquiao maybe.
Hi.
That's the other owner. Look at two of the owners are here.
Welcome to our
Kabayan Hub. Kabayan Hub. Yeah. You want to say something to the viewers of Suriname? Say something to the people in Suriname?
You're very welcome to try our Philippine to try Filipino food.
A little louder.
I think all Filipinos will like it. I think. Confident. We hope so. We hope so.
Okay. Okay. See guys, they're busy in the kitchen at the back there. I'm not gonna disturb them. They're busy working to prepare your delicious food. Well organized. They're working. Take a peek at what they're doing. Look, that's one of the other owner at the back there. She's busy.
Hello. I don't know what to say.
Well, you can say it to them. Come and try our food.
Yes, you can come and try our food, Kabayan.
See, Kabayan Hub. And the barbecue is going on at the back there. They have the barbecue at the back there. That's the barbecue chef. I can show you. See, professional is on the grill. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's Filipino style barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue style.
Yeah. Sneak peek of what's happening in the kitchen. So the ones that are cooking, they have to be regulations. They have to be dressed for cooking. And there you have the Kabayan Hub menu. All day meals. Here, there you go. Pork adobo, chicken adobo, beef bistec, beef caldereta, beef tapsalog, beef tasalog. For the weekend meals, you have skewered pork belly, chicken barbecue, pork belly barbecue, pork sisig, my favorite. That's made with parts of the pig's face, belly, chicken liver seasoned with lemon, onions, and chili peppers. You have your snacks, lumpia, chicken strips. There are your sides and your beverages. Whilhelminastraat number 10. That's the menu. The prices, you'll get to know when you go to order your food. I guess you have to adjust the price, work with the price, and see how it's going to work. Remember guys, the prices in Suriname don't stay the same every day. Gasoline went up again today. So we have to see how that's going to work out. It's getting into the night now, and for the first day it's been going pretty well. A lot of takeouts, and there's some dine-in also. As you can see, there are a lot of Filipinos here having a good time. It's gonna get busier later, guys. So far the compliments have been good. Everyone likes the food, so you can come here and you can try it for a change. Filipino dish in Suriname. And the fun continues. There's so much food on the menu, I cannot eat everything, so I just took my favorite. This is the sisig with the egg, and this is the lumpia. I remember when I was in the Philippines, my fiance was teaching me how to make lumpia. So this is what the sisig look like, guys. Chopped up pork with an egg. You have the calamansi there. You have the sauce there with the lumpia, and then you have some dessert here. This is what we call lechon flan. What? Leche. Oh, leche flan. Okay. Oh, okay. Leche flan. Okay, leche flan. Try this lumpia, guys. This is so good. And they give you a sauce with it also. Very good, guys.
Okay na to, girl. Juice na lang. Saan sila ba na? Yan lang. Tanong mo siya, girl, kung... Si Erwin. Hindi ko makita. Ito, parang tinanong nila kung ano, parang magkano yung ibang ano. Ano siya? Sinusiyan nila. Nagsama-sama niya pati yung chicken. Oo, sige, sige. Order ka na, girl. Ako na lang mag-order. Ikaw na magpapakakuha na ni Kabayan. Ako na mag-order. Sa porpet na. Like it. Nakalagi na. Sabot lang. Okay, sige. Take out, no? 40. Magkano to, girl? Sisi? Kaya naman daw niya. Uy, may order pa yung sisi. Ito sa kanila, girl. Asa pa yung patel? Ano pang kulang? Ito ang kalarasin.
This is my favorite Filipino dish, guys. Really, really, really delicious. You guys need to try this. And this is made with parts of pork, different parts of the pork. I'll do it like this. Good, guys. If you guys come down here, you try this.
Kuya, dalawang yan po, kuya.
It's very, very delicious. And the egg mixed with it makes it even delicious.
Pakiikulit ako ng order nila, kuya ka. Papel nila. Baka hindi na
That's the cook, one of the cook.
No,
Good sisig.
but I'm the sidekick.
Oh, she's a sidekick. Very good. And who made the leche flan?
That one I made.
Okay, and this is the dessert, leche flan. I'm not a big fan of sweet. Okay, but let's just taste this. That's delicious, guys. It really is delicious, but it's too sweet for my taste, but it's good. If I was big on sweet, this would have been my favorite. Good though. As you can see, it's getting busier and busier. Lots of Filipinos are here now. So that's why you can see why the name speaks for itself. Kabayan Hub is where the Filipinos will gather when they want to have a fun time together. When they're missing home, this is where they'll be. I'm gonna just chill here for a while and I'm gonna head out in a bit. So if ever you're in the city, if ever you're in Suriname, come around here on the Whilhelminastraat number 10B. Try out this Filipino restaurant, guys. The food is amazing. I know because I've tasted it already many times, and the sisig I had just now, it's just like the one I had in the Philippines. So, and the lumpia was awesome. There's so much food there on the menu. I can't try it all. Someday I'll come back and try. Soon I'll come back and try a few more. Then I'll come back and try a few more. Check this place out. Kabayan Hub. So thank you for joining me in this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for your love and for your support. And please like and please share. And I will catch you in the other video. God bless. Bye for now, guys.